You guys, of course I was gonna cry. You guys know that was gonna happen. Of course that was gonna happen. Oh my god. I'm gonna try jump on the bus right now and go to town and stop with all this bawling, because Sarah is so happy. She went in and she's fine, but I'm here bawling my eyes out. Ooh, it's crazy. But yeah, my baby's gone to school.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
53 minutes, 20 seconds. And that's a wrap on the first morning of school workout. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Today is the day. Today is the day we've all been waiting for, and it's here. Right now it is 6:43 in the morning. I woke up at 5:30 to come out and get my workout in. Everybody's still sleeping. I have to get my workout in the morning. If you guys been watching me for a while, you guys know that I'm a morning person when it comes down to my workout. If I don't get my workout in the mornings, I'm guaranteed that it will never get done again. So since it's back to school, I have to wake up a little bit earlier than usual to get my workout in. Got it done. Felt so good. Now I'm going to go get a shower, get my kids breakfast ready, pick them up, get them ready for school and head out. Today is Sarah's very first day of school. Today is orientation, so Sarah only will be going in for 1 hour, but it's still exciting. Tomorrow she'll be going in for full day. Tyler have full day today, full day tomorrow. So they're both going to the same, I would say the same school, because it's one big building, but gates and walls part them off. So yeah, it's exciting. Tyler used to go in at 8:30, Sarah is going at 8:30. So Babe and I gonna drop them both to school. Babe take care of Tyler's gate, I'll take care of Sarah's gate, because I know the first morning of school is always some kind of chaos and something is not gonna go right and a lot of chaos in the morning. So I'm definitely gonna film as much as I can to capture this very memorable moment with Sarah going to school for the first time, Tyler going back to school. So stick and stay, subscribe if it's the first time to the Fam Bam. I'll share with you guys a little bit of what I get done for workout, but first I just want to say enjoy the rest of your day. Subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, stick and stay, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog to let you guys know how our day will go and all that. So love you guys. Here's a little bit of what I got done this morning. Where are you going today? No?
I'm going to school.
You're going to school.
Yeah.
You ready for school? Who? Milk and yeah. Which one you want first? Milk? Yeah. Here. Say good morning, Faith. Sarah going to
School. Bingo Bluey. Look at that on the face of Bingo Bluey.
Bingo Bluey on face. Hi, say good morning to Faith.
What one?
go pick up Sky. Go. Go in your room. Mama coming to comb your hair and get your dress. You can't start when you didn't hear Papa.
No, I can. When you finish with your oil, I can brush.
No, you don't need no brush because it's so low. You just need to do that with your fingers. Go and stand beside your sister. Sarah, give me this. Stand beside Tai Tai. Tell her don't hold her. Just stand here. Tai. Stand beside her, please. Sarah, look at Mama. Let go of the bed. Look at Mama, Sarah. Sarah. Look at me. Me. But first, we have to finish put on school clothes. Come. Wow, Sarah, look at Faves. See, Faves, look at me. Who is that? That's Sarah? Good job. I think I might take off this tab here because it's missing one button. Another, the one that I choose for this one. No, keep it on. Hey, is you ready, you know? Sarah, you ready?
C'est deux en petite action.
Hold this, let me catch first off. Recording. Stop here, Sarah. Mama, take your pictures. Look, stop here. Look, here. Here, stand beside Tai Tai. Look. Wait, stand beside Tai Tai. Tell her, look at Mama. Look at me. Look at Mama. Look, smile. Sarah, stop. Stop. Stop, Sarah. Stop, stop, stop. Wait on Papa. No, no. Walk like Papa and Tai Tai. She's so proud. You're proud? That's you recording?
Hello, Sarah.
Go. That's you recording?
Tell her you tell me if there's some things coming behind me.
Sarah is already in our element in our class. That's Sarah's class. Oops. No, wait. What color is it? Hi guys!
Wagwan, guys. Wagwan, guys.
You guys, today is day 2. You guys already got the greeting earlier, so I won't give you that usual good morning, good morning, good morning. It's day 2. I'm wrapping 2 days in one vlog. So today is day 2, the real day for Sarah. Sarah will be staying all day today, and each time I think about it I get a knot in my stomach. Pray God I don't cry, I keep it together. So I'm going to drop Sarah off at the gate. I cannot go inside this morning, and she'll be gone bye-bye all day. All day. You ready for school? Ready? Yes. Ty, you ready? Ty, ever ready?
Yes!
So,
yes.
after I drop the kids, I am heading on the road to meet up with 2 of my girls in town to have a little coffee and some, do some boom flick in the streets of being alone. This is what it's going to feel like without the kids. Babe looking at me like I'm crazy. He used to being alone. I don't. He's alone every day. I'm not. So yeah, I'm heading in town. I'm also gonna run a few errands, so hopefully I accomplish everything before I get back home. So have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog of day 2. I'll give you guys update throughout the rest of the vlog, and then we'll come back and end it. So day 2, the real big day. So see you guys later. See you later.
Later, Wagwan. Bye bye.
Good job, Sarah. Good job,
Bye-bye.
Ty. This is the cutie. I like your hair. I love the bow in your hair. All ready for school?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the breakfast.
You guys, of course I was gonna cry. You guys know that was gonna happen. Of course that was gonna happen. Oh my god. I'm gonna try jump on the bus right now and go to town and stop with all this bawling, because Sarah is so happy. She went in and she's fine, but I'm here bawling my eyes out. Ooh, it's crazy. But yeah, my baby's gone to school. Guys,
Come on, come on, come on.
I'm with my My girl's keeping my tears away today, so we're at Starbucks. Yes, guys, I'm at Starbucks. You guys, look.
Horrible, that's so.
Come, say hello.
Hi, fam.
Your turn. Look at them pretty G's. My camera is showing up, so Princess asleep. Princess sleeping.
It tastes like coffee.
Because that, you don't realize.
Oh God, no, I like coffee.
You're not even mixed up yet.
How many knows I like coffee?
The carrot cake tastes nice. Taste it.
The same, no?
The carrot cake.
The carrot cake.
Is which one you took?
The same?
Or caramel macchiato? Oh, but the hot one.
The hot one.
The hot one tastes nice.
They don't have it. It's not yet. The season over here is not until October.
Hi, you guys. Look at my fro. You guys, I have been back home for a while now. I had an amazing morning with the girls. I feel like a big kid. I mean, I needed that after bawling my eyes out this morning, which I didn't thought I would be doing, but who is Mel without crying, right? So no surprise there, but I left home like a champ this morning, feeling like, Mel, you got this. You're not gonna cry. You've already done this with Ty. So I mean, it will be a breeze. But when a child, when Sarah said to me, bye mama, see you later, that was it for me. I lost it. But I felt that I needed the girls today, so we had already planned to be in town. So we were gonna meet up anyway, but I honestly didn't know that I would cry, because I decided that no, I've done this. I got this, you know. But Sarah was okay. She did good. But it just showed me how much I need my friends, how much I need this girl time, because honestly, I needed that chat this morning. We laughed, we cried, they were there for me, and it was amazing. So I've been back, and now it's time to pick up. So I'm going to pick up my both kids at school. So let's see how Sarah's first day went. I'll let you guys know how that goes. But yeah, I'll be back. I am back, and I'm literally stressed out. I'm back with no good news. I left home with a headache that I took a tablet for, and now it's gotten even more intense. But I know it's the first day, and I know I need to give her time, just like when she used to go to Aldegadri. But the fact that she went in so happy this morning, I really wasn't expecting this news. I was called into a meeting by the principal and her teacher. When I went to pick her up, they said Sarah came into school. Sarah was fine all day until it was lunchtime. They say lunchtime, she barely ate. She pick on the food. So she didn't really eat much. They say she cried, she rolled, she bawled. And when it was nap time, she was still crying. They couldn't keep her in the nap room. The teacher had to take her with her. And she said she didn't nap all day. She did not sleep at all. So first full day alone, it did not go good. She was one of the happy kids going in this morning, but she wasn't happy at the end of the day. So when I pick her up, her nose was runny, and I had to tell her, calm down, it's okay. And I tell her no crying in school, and she repeats. So I know when we keep repeating that, it works. So I just have to encourage her. The fact that she'll have 2 days break on the weekend, and she won't go back to school until Monday. Let's see how Monday goes. But come here, Sarah.
Mama, snack.
Come here. So she's hungry. Come for snack. Come. So when I pick her up, I carry a puree fruit, I carry juice, and I carry donut, and she ate them off, and she's hungry. You cry at school?
I snack.
No crying at
School.
and you eat at canteen, okay?
Okay.
What do you want to eat?
Back over there.
This one?
No.
There's nothing in it. It's empty. What do you want? You want cookie?
No.
This
snack.
one?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Mama. Let me throw some in a bowl for you. Here. So she's hungry right now. Sarah, drink off the juice I carry right away. Drink off the juice. She eat off the compote, which is one of these, and I took a donut and she ate it off. You want chocolate milk? Okay. So the day didn't go well, but with time, I can't say I'm going to go pick her up. It won't work. So she have to stay and she have to get used to it, which she will eventually. But I really wasn't expecting that. My heart is kind of shattered, but it is what it is. So that's the update. What to do? It's a part of the journey, I guess. All right, you guys. Here's the Friday spread for our little neighbor get together, but it's raining right now, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see. So we have what is this? I made fritters, saltfish fritters, and some sausage rolls. So yes, here we go. Hi you guys, we're coming on to end Friday's vlog. What are you doing?
Nothing. Bothering you.
As usual, nothing new.
Never bother her.
As usual, nothing new. You guys can attest to that.
Never.
That's a fact. Anyway. Oh my god.
I like to do that. Press the buzzer. Boom.
Once my hair is like this. No, look how my bun flat. Babe, you cannot do that. I'm gonna have to put in back my earrings so don't touch my hair like what I wear last week. Honey, don't let me slap you.
You really are gonna slap me?
Yes, you deserve it at this point. You guys,
Violent.
not you guys, but babe, how you feel about Sarah first full day results? We're ending Friday vlog. Were you surprised?
Kinda.
Me
I
too.
wasn't expecting that at all. I
Me
really
too.
wasn't expecting that at all. I'm happy for the morning that everything, but as I say, I wasn't expecting her
It came
to
as a
act
shock.
like this. But in the same time, am I surprised? Yes. But am I like, does it looks like I won't say no in terms of
Right.
she's capable of doing that. So I was just full of hope that it won't happen. And I really didn't think about it because in my head that would be fine. But
I'm surprised that she didn't nap, and I'm surprised that she didn't eat. Maybe the eating part not so much, but the fact that she didn't nap, that came as a shock.
But you know, like sometimes you say things to parents and they say, oh no, my kids never do that. My kids never do that. My kid's perfect. My kid angel, all of this.
Not my kids.
No, so that's why I say, Sarah, what the teacher say is something that Sarah did in the past at home, or like, you know, kids, they're acting, they do this. But she was doing so well at school in the past, so it just says she's ready. She will be fun, she will have fun, she will enjoy her day. So I'm just...
But the fact that they said she was okay for the morning session and then at lunch is when the problem starts, it makes sense, because the daycare Sarah used to go to, I pick her up at lunchtime, so she don't used to eating anywhere else. She don't used to being anywhere that long. So it's never like she was going to a daycare that long where she would be in the nap routine and the eating routine. No. So it makes sense that she would act up at lunchtime and at nap time. But they can't call me because I'm not going to pick her up.
Yeah,
she have to adjust.
It's different from the one that's right. This one is the school.
She have to stay there.
She will stay there. They will act with it. They will take care of her. They will do their best. But they also want to. They have to tell you, so if you can do something at home to help her. Trying to make her eat different. Trying to. So as a parent is, we don't. In school in France, we don't bring food to the kids.
If at lunchtime you want to pick them up, you can pick them up at lunchtime, but you don't give them lunch to carry to school. The only thing they're allowed to carry is their snack, which they eat at 4:30 if they're staying at aftercare. But they wouldn't carry snack if you're picking them up at 4:30. You would just carry to the gate to meet them so they can eat right away.
So, we adjust and
we keep reinforcing
I don't worry. Let's see how Monday will go. Finger crossed.
She just needs some time.
Yeah, we need to make her understand that, yeah, this is how it goes.
Right.
So.
She have to nap at school. She have to eat her lunch, because when I pick her up, Sarah was so hungry. I've never seen Sarah eat so many things during snack time. I bring her a juice, I bring her donut, and I bring her a compote, and Sarah ate up everything within seconds and saying, "Mama, hungry, snack." I'm like, OMG, she really didn't eat, as a teacher said she didn't eat. Anyway, she'll get better, I'm sure. I'm not worried. I'm worried, but I'm not worried. Anyway, guys, that's the first day of school for Sarah. Hopefully you guys enjoy, which I'm sure you did enjoy the update. Give this video a thumbs up.
Still give it thumbs up.
Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, because you guys are definitely on this new journey with us. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.